Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Heartful Cooking. In this episode, we will be talking about ways of preserving and storing coriander. Personally, I can have coriander in almost any savourier dish. However, it is also a delicate herb and it can have the potential to wilt very easily, and if not stored or preserved in an appropriate manner. In the years of having my own kitchen, I've tried many ways of preserving it at home so I can have access to it for my cooking. Now, as a side note, in stores, coriander is either sold open with the roots in containers filled with water, or you can also find coriander packed in plastic bags or containers. Now, according to a recent agricultural study, some packaging facilities flush these bags with a mixture of oxygen, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen, which increases the shelf life. Now, of course, once the bag is opened, this gaseous mixture is released and no longer effective at home. So what are the options? There are 3 ways I've preserved coriander myself or I have bought. The first method is the simple container with paper towel method. Here you simply place your coriander into a clear container and periodically change the paper towel and rotate your herb over time. This can actually help your coriander last for over a week. The second method is buying the leaves dried. Please don't bother with this method. Not only do you lose the green vibrancy of the leaves, but the flavor is non-existent. Lastly is the method of freezing the coriander. This is my preferred method for keeping a stash in my freezer for those days you forget you had run out. You lose the crispy aspect of having fresh coriander, but the flavor is not compromised, and for me, that's a big win-win. There is a method of freezing coriander because if it's not done properly, you will be left with the potential of forming ice crystals, which could further result in freezer burn. So here are the steps I take to freeze coriander so I have my supply for those rainy days. Adding care and being present during the preparation or preserving of what we eat is so important. Come along and join me in this mindful journey of containing the flavors of this special herb.